If you want to discover how you can develop your trading or investing skills and keep up to date with the latest market trends, you're in the right place. Hey there, my name is Kundai. I'm the founder of PiggiBacks, an online platform that aims to provide valuable trading and investing educational content for everyone. With over 22,500 students from 20 plus countries and growing, our mission is to help individuals kickstart or develop their trading and investing skills to the next level. PiggiBacks is here to provide valuable trading and investing material for beginners and enthusiastic investors like myself who strive to learn and improve their skills, all with the grand goal of helping one another achieve good and profitable trades or investments. Our cryptocurrency trading course has been featured in famous and reputable websites such as IGN and Mashable. Here are a few reviews from the many positive reviews that we have received. Tan Bron really gave me a good insight into the strategies for trading and how I could start my journey as a beginner trader. Much appreciated. Mike McLean, most enjoyable cryptocurrency trading learning experience. Have bought several crypto courses and this one from Kundai is up there with the best of them. If you're looking for an easy intro to becoming a profitable trader, look no further. Highly recommended. Lang Sabali, it's more than expected, an eye-opener. So consider subscribing to this channel and hit that bell icon so that you're notified every time that I publish a trading or investing educational video. If you're interested in learning and developing your trading skills, I would like to invite you to join the PiggiBacks trading community by enrolling in one of our courses or by simply downloading our free trading guide, which you can find at piggibacks.com/free-trading-guide. For those of you that are ready to upgrade your trading and investing skills, I look forward to welcoming you to the PiggiBacks community. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.